I'm diving deep into the mysteries of the Andromeda Galaxy and challenging myself to uncover what it really means for us here on Earth. Can I figure it all out before it gets here? The Andromeda Galaxy, our closest neighbor in the universe, is a behemoth of a galaxy, sprawling with hundreds of billions of stars, spanning over 220,000 light-years across. It's the largest member of the local group of galaxies, and its sheer scale is awe-inspiring. But what's even more fascinating is that it's hurtling towards us at an astonishing 250,000 miles per hour, on a collision course with our own Milky Way galaxy. In about 4.5 billion years, Andromeda will collide with the Milky Way, an event that will reshape the very fabric of our universe. The consequences of this cosmic crash will be far-reaching, with galaxies torn apart, stars thrown out of their orbits, and planetary systems destroyed. The timeline of this event is already set in motion, and we're just along for the ride. As Andromeda approaches, our solar system will be gravitationally disrupted, causing chaos in the orbits of our planets. The sun could even be ejected from the galaxy, leaving us without its warmth and light. The sheer scale of this event is hard to comprehend, and it's a reminder of the universe's indifference to our existence. The likelihood of human civilization surviving this event is uncertain, and it raises questions about our place in the universe. Are we just temporary passengers on a cosmic journey, or can we find a way to adapt and survive in the face of such monumental change? The Andromeda Galaxy is a behemoth of a galaxy, with a mass of approximately 1 trillion times that of our Sun. Its size and composition are daunting, with a vast array of stars, gas, and dust. As it approaches, its gravity will warp the fabric of space-time, causing massive distortions in our solar system. The possibilities of what could happen are endless, from the creation of new star systems to the destruction of entire galaxies. The Andromeda collision will be a cosmic spectacle, unlike anything we've ever seen, and it's a reminder of the awe-inspiring power of the universe. As we delve deeper into the science behind this event, we begin to appreciate the complexity of the universe. From the intricate dance of galaxy orbits to the delicate balance of planetary systems, every aspect of this collision is a testament to the universe's incredible beauty and power. The moment of impact will be a turning point in human history, a moment when we'll be forced to confront our place in the universe. Will we be able to adapt to this new reality, or will we succumb to the cosmos's unpredictability? The predictions are uncertain, but one thing is clear. The Andromeda Galaxy's collision with the Milky Way will be an event unlike any other. It's a reminder that we're part of a much larger universe, one that's full of mysteries and wonders waiting to be uncovered. In recapping the major points, it's clear that the Andromeda Galaxy's impending collision with the Milky Way is an event that will shake the very foundations of our existence. It's a reminder of the universe's power and our own mortality, but it's also an opportunity to learn and grow. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the unknown, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Andromeda Galaxy and its impending collision. Leave your comments below, and if you're interested in more space-related content, be sure to check out my other videos.